Well, students, this is English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. So, I am your English faculty. Let's start today grammar. First, our topic is type of sentences. Well, dear students, obviously we know the simple sentence. Subject is always doer. Predicate message about the subject. Whatever I have collected my notes, I prepared my notes, that one in attachment, you will get it. Every day's video lesson according to rules and regulation with the video lesson attachment continuously you have got it and continuously you will get it. So don't worry about all these things. Notes you have to prepare. That is important and you have to make it right perfectly. So dear students, subject means always doer in a sentence. Predicate means whatever the message about the subject. Various examples you see. Maya and Alia walked to the park. The cat crept through the duck house. I ran for cover when it started raining. These are all things in attachment you will get it. Sincerely read and write. That's important. Compound sentence. So simple sentence already when I taught from the textbook also I told you one finite verb and only one main clause because short and sweet sentences and that one simple sentence, only one finite verb counts. Compound sentence contains two independent clauses, uses coordinating conjunction, that is and, but. These are all coordinating conjunction. So in compound sentence, you will always get coordinating conjunctions and, but, etc. These are all intermingled compound sentences. Example, the cat was unsuccessful in his attempt to catch the mouse and the mouse was equally as unlucky in his attempt to get the cheese. So dear students, here this one for your tomorrow's task, 25th December, you will learn it by heart, understand it, and then after that you will make the notes. Simple, complex, compound. Here I made one frame sketch. I'm showing. In attachment you will get it. Then it should be in your mind map after your learning outcomes, and it should be, you will also prepare this type of notes in your notebook because I will check it. I'm telling you continuously each and everything, whatever I have given to you, home task activity at random. January 1st onwards I will start. Few students came, they had done the work sincerely, very good. Others, whole group, you should be ready. I will not spare you anyone else. I want my test neat and clean, home task and class work activities. Simple, complex, compound. Simple, being tired. He went to bed. Being tired, comma, he went to bed. Complex, as he was tired, he went to bed. Now compound, he was tired, full stop. He went to bed, full stop. Two complete sentences, that is compound. Now here, simple, having, H-A-V-I-N-G, having finished his work, W-O-R-K, comma, he returned, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned home. Complex, after he had finished, F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, his work, W-O-R-K, comma, he returned, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, home. Compound, he had finished his work, W-O-R-K, full stop. Another sentence, he returned, R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D, returned home. Here you see, simple sentence. Example, I saw, S-A-W, a girl, a pronunciation, A, always pronounced A. T-H-E, alwaways pronounced T-H-E, the, T-H-E, the, A-R, A-L-L, all. In this way, pronounce the correct English. I saw a girl with blue eyes. Complex. I saw a girl who had blue eyes. Full stop. Compound. I saw a girl. Full stop. She had blue eyes. Full stop. Come to the point. Already in the beginning, several times when I taught grammar from your textual part English textbook, I told you several times, a simple sentence consists of only one clause and one finite verb. A compound sentence consists of two or more independent clauses. A complex sentence has at least one independent clause plus at least one dependent clause. So these are all things you will read continuously, and if there is any doubt or confusion, then surely you will reach to me in the premise, full duty hours, no problem. Now come to the point, dear student. Worksheets. Number 1, we met, M-E-T. M-E-E-T, present tense, past tense, M-E-T. M-E-T, met, means past tense. We met rather few people who spoke, S-P-O-K-E, again past tense, English. We met rather few people who spoke English. This is complex sentence. Now whenever I will give you the worksheet, home task, activity, that time what will you do? I will give the sentence and categorically what, this is which sentence, that one you have to write. In your notebook you will write. When offline will start, then I will tell you how to make different activities. Classwork activities, homework activities. You will maintain everything in the file. Everything I will tell you that time. Now everything you will store in online teaching in the notebook. That is very important. Your all notes should be ready. Some of the children are very good in Jesus English High School, higher classes. They came time to time. They had checked it also, and very good performance. I remarked also in that way. So it is very good. But I want one thing, that the whole group should be brave and proud. Because the whole group has to, it is a teamwork. Not only 1 and 5 children. Whole group you have to get good marks, excellent marks. 96 to 100, my target in English. Everybody you should get it. Out of 100, 97, 98, 99. That's very, very important. So dear students, now come to the point, that is number 2. I have been on rather too many planes and trains recently. Simple sentence. Number 3. We drove, D-R-O-V-E, right up to Helsinki in 2 days. Simple sentence. Number 4. I don't care how expensive it is. Complex sentence. Number 5. 2 minutes ago, the child was fast asleep, but now he is wide awake, full stop. Compound sentence. Next, number 6. He is not tall enough to be a soldier. He is not tall enough to be a soldier. Simple sentence. Number 7. I guess, Guess. I guess she just doesn't, in apostrophe T, doesn't respect you. This one, complex sentence. Next, number 8. I have got 4 sisters and each of them is quite different from the others. Compound sentence. Number 9. You can either, pronunciation E-I-T-H-E-R, either or either. So many people say either, that one also correct. So many people say either, E-I-T-H-E-R, that one also correct. So according to your tongue twisting, you will pronounce. I pronounce maximum either. You can either, E-I-T-H-E-R, that is either or either. You can either come with me now or W-A-L-K, walk home. Compound sentence. Number 10. He will never leave L-E-A-V-E, home, because he hasn't, in apostrophe T. Get the courage to. Complex sentence. Number 11. When all else, fails, F-A-I-L-S, when all else fails, read the user manual. Read the user, U-S-E-R, manual, M-A-N-U-A-L, full stop. Complex sentence. Number 12. It was Sam who paid for the drinks. It was Sam who paid for the drinks, that is cold drinks. Complex sentence. So this is all about yours grammar part, types of sentences. So I will shortly come back with the different topic in between children. Students, it's my wish and it's my request to you. You love my video several times, you have told, so share my video, subscribe, and then share it with others who can also get feedback from me regarding English grammar. Thank you very much.